high-tech apparatus here.
Cutting edge.
Cutting-edge technology, okay. Okay, I'm gonna sit right down in it. My boys here are gonna plug me in. All right, wish me luck, Boise.
You can't stop me.
I don't just
Run the show. I am the show.
We'll see about that, you son of a bitch. All right, all set. Okay, interfacing now. Neural high five complete. Uploading and I'm in. Wow, it's so realistic in here. These graphics are incredible.
Bandmates, but you sacrificed your beautiful body to try and save this show tonight, even though you had so much more growing to do. And for that, we will honor you. We will remember you.
Getting too old for this shit.
Well, Dr. Sung, we all saw you go down in the reset in just excursion. What was that, 480p?
I'll tell you how I survived, my friend. Boise, you see, I survived the old-fashioned way with sheer will and overwhelming upper body strength. And of course, cheat codes thanks to the official IBS strategy guide. It pays to read the strategy guide. What do we say about IBS? IBS, problems for people.